Hi, this is the Akko 5075S Barebones kit. In the box, we get a desk cover, the keyboard itself, the manual, and in this other box we have the knob, a switch puller, and a Type-C cable. This is a gasket-mounted 75% keyboard with a knob, and comes with new Akko's plate-mounted stubs. It has RGB backlit with a side LED. At the back is a switch to Mac. The Type-C connector is located at top left corner, and it has two stage feet. To take it apart, there are tabs around the top parts of the case. You have to pull it apart. It's better to use something to pry it open like a card. Now we have access to everything. Remove the connector at the back of the PCB. This includes a quite dense silicone dampener, which is a good addition. Akko's new stabs are actually very good, although the factory lube is quite lacking, unlike the 3068B Plus. With a bit of lube, it'll be good. We have the gaskets here. These are silicone, and they are quite nice. There are screws at the back to take apart the PCB. This comes with a polycarbonate plate, which is very nice to see, a silicone dampener in the middle, and a pour-on PCB foam. The PCB is fully hot swappable and supports 3 and 5 pin switches. Now let's put it back together and hear what it sounds. The switches I'm gonna use are the Akko Crystal Blue, a full polycarbonate linear switch with an actuation force of 40 grams, which is pretty light to be honest. Watch out for my review on this down the line. For the keycaps, this is the red Fuji keycap set from Akko, PBT die subbed with a JDA profile, which is something I haven't tried or even heard before. Nonetheless, this looks so good, and it has a lot of options for novelties. Before the sound test, let's appreciate this beauty. This is such a good value keyboard kit for 3,000 pesos. If you're a gamer that likes all the RGB, this might be for you. There is also a pre-built option so you don't have to worry about finding switches and keycaps. Unlike the Corsair or Razer keyboards, you don't really get the features like a PC plate or foams in the case. If you opt for the pre-built version, the switches you get are really good. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments.